Hello there. Today, Group B, I would like for you to finish up your periodic table. As you see, there's only 3 people who have submitted anything. Just a reminder, this is in Tuesday, the 22nd for you guys. And you can go ahead and click on this and open it. The grades for this will be in the grade book by Friday this week, and it will be zeroed if you don't have anything turned in. So I'm going to let Group A know that today as well, so that that you have any opportunity to get some help if you need some. But we need to get this finished, and we need to get that done. So there's quite a few people that don't have it done yet, so I'm assuming you're in progress to a certain point. So let's just get this finished, and then go ahead and take pictures and upload them to your slides there. Don't forget to go back into the assignment and hit submit. Okay? Thank you much, and have a good day. Please email me with any questions.